Hello, my name is Nigel and I'm the Customer Success Manager at Cadmes Systems in South Africa.
And I am Alrieke. I am the Applications Engineer for Cadmes Systems.
Today we're going to be talking about fostering an innovative ecosystem. We will have a look at how working in an environment where technology is constantly changing, it can be hard to keep track of communication across different platforms. This causes a problem in collaboration as platforms aren't always connected for a seamless view of projects and tasks that need to be completed. We tend to share content using systems that do not facilitate the content to update when changes are applied to them. We often lose out on turning our ideas into reality due to disconnected systems like these, and this can cause us to lose out on possible market. We will illustrate how integrated tools and centralized information can increase communication and collaboration, which makes for an innovative ecosystem within your organization. We will look at tools that can be given to employees to enable them to take their projects from ideation to realization to elevate your entire organization. Cadmes Systems is based in South Africa, while our head office is based in the Netherlands, with offices in Belgium and Luxembourg. Across the 4 offices, Cadmes has a footprint in 7 countries. Our combined teams of over 100 staff bring a wealth of experience and knowledge from working in both the African and European markets. Cadmes offers a large range of services to add value to our customers. We are the reliable and critical knowledge partner for companies who are ready to take on the challenge. We are moving into a new era built on the mass production of innovation, not goods or services, but innovation itself. The challenge we face is being able to constantly innovate better uses of our resources. The need to disrupt old ideas, create new possibilities, and use the resources we have to make those ideas profitable. The annual CEO survey conducted by PwC found that innovation was the #1 CEO business priority.
Many leaders and employees find collaboration difficult. Skill sets and training methods are attuned to the repetitive labor of the previous era. This makes it challenging for companies to get ahead in this new idea economy. Along with struggling to collaborate better, we often misinterpret ideas, communication, and other important tasks. This can lead to losing time to market. Due to the day and age we are living in, our current reality of wanting to improve constantly forces us to reevaluate how we work, communicate, and collaborate.
What enables us to better act on collaboration opportunities? In order to facilitate and act on collaboration opportunities, we need to build trust so that employees share information, not hoard it. We need to enhance management skills to foster open, two-way communication and feedback between employees, regardless of authority or expertise. Finding the best solutions by listening to all the ideas that are available. Being able to verify, validate, and get buy-in from all stakeholders improves commitment and makes the underlying tasks more likely to succeed. Time management and coordination skills play a big role in keeping meetings effective and efficient. Having the ability to properly track where you are in a project and not having to try and imagine what the timeline looks like across different platforms.
Technologies that enable collaboration can also be collaboration's demise, unfortunately. We are living in a world of apps, many of which we use to share and track information across the board, and in some cases even borders. This does, however, create the risk of many disconnected systems that start to rely heavily on human intervention and duplication of efforts. This is taking valuable time away from being able to collaborate efficiently and ultimately giving you less time to innovate. This is especially important as the workforce itself increasingly grows virtually. Only unified communication solutions and integrated technology will be able to support this dramatic change for business success in the future.
Research shows that collaboration produces value. Google did a study where more than half, 56% to be precise, of the executives ranked collaboration as the number one factor impacting their overall profitability. Research from Stanford University has shown that collaboration fuels intrinsic motivation, driving people to stick with their tasks longer, have higher engagement, lower fatigue, and greater success rates compared to those who work on their own. According to Nielsen, ideas developed by teams of 3 or more have 156% greater appeal with consumers. Imagine how enabling your business to collaborate better will affect your profit margin. What does this mean? Companies that rely on innovation do not rely on 1 or 2 talented individuals, but an entire team working together creatively to contribute towards generating revolutionary products. True innovation can only happen when there is an enabling ecosystem around it, no matter the size of the company. Let's look at the example of a coral reef. It provides shelter, food, and a system where different sea organisms can flourish together. Everything works in perfect symbiosis. What can we do to introduce synergy into our organizations? We can improve our collaboration and communication across all departments and generate an inclusive environment.
Let's have a look at how things have changed over time in the business industry. First, we were working with content on a paper basis, where walking around with a notebook and pen was necessary to get through to projects. It was our only means of survival in the concrete jungle. We would then, as a team, debrief the notes made in the meeting and generate a document for the project. Then things changed. We were able to make our notes, then go back to the office and capture our notes on our computers. Now things looked a little different when working as a team because everything was electronic. As opposed to paper notes being processed, emails would be sent back and forth. By the way, did you know that the average employee spends around 13 hours a week checking, reading, and responding to emails, eating about 28% of our work week? A lot, something to think about. Then things changed again. We can see that this is a constant theme, change. With this evolution, we started using cell phones and tablets to do our work. This made things a lot more efficient since we don't need to rework from pen and paper. Rather, we capture the information electronically all the time. But are these systems really connected? Let's think about that. To make a change, we would have to duplicate our efforts to make sure that the content is changed everywhere. And all of this opens up a brand new problem. What happens to our content when it does change? Now, in this new era, everything is digital. And this means that we have the ability to work on live content, and everyone can immediately see the change once it is implemented. We do not have to duplicate our efforts in making sure that the content has been updated, because there is only one source of information. We went from printing tickets and keeping a watchful eye out on the departure board to make sure that we could respond accordingly and quickly if the gate or departure times changed. Heaven forbid you miss that flight because you didn't see an update. Or I am sure some of you have noticed that everyone in the terminal freezes when flight announcements are made. Now we are able to receive notifications on our smartwatches and view updates in real time on our mobile phones. So no more missed flights. In the context of a project, this means that the relevant stakeholders can respond quickly to change, keeping the project moving forward and reducing delays constantly, regardless of whether or not they are at their desks or sitting in an airport terminal.
So what does a collaborative environment look like? All your company's data in a common data environment, accessible to all from anywhere on any device. Virtual communities and collaborative spaces where users can share ideas, comment and vote on them. A place where ideas can be brought to life and those responsible recognized. A connected and integrated platform combining social collaboration and powerful business tools. In an environment like this, we can go from ideation to realization far quicker and more efficiently than we could in a traditional one.
So, beyond people and the right processes, without the right technology underpinning your business, creating such an environment is almost impossible. However, Dassault Systems has created the 3D Experience platform. This is the next big technology shift, much like the technology shift of the late 80s when the Windows operating system was released. And we all know what that did for us. I mean, look where we are today. This big shift would be to address the challenges we face today with distributed teams and very disconnected systems. Dassault has taken their portfolio of desktop products, Solidworks, Innovia, Simulia, and others, products that you already know about and love and already probably use, and they brought them to a single cloud-based platform.
The traditional definition of the workplace is changing. Design teams need to collaborate over great distances and have the flexibility to get work done on the go. Choosing the right CAD tool is paramount. But what about the design data? How can it be stored securely but still provide convenient access at any time, anywhere? 3D Experience SolidWorks offers industry-leading SolidWorks desktop CAD, as well as powerful browser-based CAD solutions, all built from the ground up with secure and convenient cloud data management at its core. SolidWorks Desktop provides dedicated tools and workflows that streamline the design and development of your products from concepts through to reality. Great designs typically start with a sketch. SolidWorks makes this simple and straightforward. Even the most complex ideas are easy to realize with access to instant feedback and standard tools like the Hole Wizard, an extensive library of hole types built right in. SolidWorks enables you to not only modify design dimensions, but also reuse geometry with a simple drag and drop, a great time saver. Because SolidWorks is connected directly to the 3D Experience platform, you can easily find the components you need with a simple search. Components can be snapped together with ease, no clunky menus or confusing windows to navigate. SolidWorks understands the mechanical relationship between components and can generate lifelike motion in even the most complex assemblies. Understanding the performance of your designs early in the design process is crucial to a successful product launch. SolidWorks provides powerful tools that help you get to market ahead of time and with maximum quality. Documenting your designs is quick and easy. Simply start with a standard drawing sheet and snap 2D views into place. Projection views are created automatically, and section views are just a click away. Save time by importing dimensions straight from the 3D model, or create special dimensions and callouts with intuitive tools. Drawings in SolidWorks are always up to date and contain accurate detail, like automatic bill of materials and item balloons, to make understanding the design easy for manufacturing and suppliers. With 3D Experience SolidWorks, your design data is saved to the secure cloud, making it immediately available to your team and other stakeholders. Your data will always be safely backed up and controlled using maturity workflows and revision management, all without the need to purchase, install, or maintain expensive servers on premises. With 3D Experience SolidWorks, you're no longer tethered to the office, as it includes powerful 3D CAD in a web browser. Build complex 3D parts and assemblies using an intuitive design interface. The 3D Experience platform natively understands your CAD data, so you can reference it while creating messages to your team or while creating intelligent tasks to drive daily work. This streamlines your design process now that contributors don't have to spend time searching for the right documents. They can move forward with certainty, knowing that they're working on the correct document every time. The tight integration between the browser-based CAD tools and the powerful desktop tools allows files to be used interchangeably. Designing is no longer a function of how powerful your computer is, it's a function of where inspiration strikes. Customers demand great-looking products. Take advantage of subdivision modeling in the browser with 3D Experience SolidWorks to create complex shapes that would be difficult to design using traditional 3D CAD methods. Just push and pull in the virtual clay environment to instantly see your product take shape. Also available with 3D Experience SolidWorks is the ability to create high-quality, photorealistic renderings of your products using SolidWorks Visualize. Creating renderings is easy. Drag and drop materials, colors, textures, and environments. Then, use the lightning-fast rendering engine with denoiser AI technology built in to effortlessly create eye-popping images or animations. As your business grows, the 3D Experience platform grows with you. Validate your design decisions using Simulia. Take your project management to the next level with integrated project planning tools. Access powerful CAM functionality with Delmia, and so much more. The traditional definition of the workplace is changing, but that doesn't mean that progress comes to a halt. All of these powerful tools make it easy to go from concept to design to manufacture and beyond, no matter where your team members are located.
What is this 3D Experience platform, you may ask? Well, the 3D Experience platform enables real-time collaboration. Everyone on your team, your organization, even your customers, your partners, suppliers, and manufacturers can collaborate from anywhere, on any device, at any time, with secure access. With configurable dashboards, your team can connect with each other, review the latest ideas and customer feedback, share to-do lists, and view the project status in real time, all while fostering innovation to give you a competitive edge. 3D Experience on the cloud. With this platform, it gives you an easy-to-use solution. Cloud-based data and product management, design, simulation, and manufacturing are all available. what does the 3D Experience platform look like? The 3D Experience platform consists of many different roles and apps. Users are assigned a role, and this gives them access to the applications included in that specific role. For example, the 3D Creator role gives the user access to the XDesign application, an application where the design can happen in the cloud the moment inspiration strikes. A team member who does not require any design tools but is responsible for project management will be assigned the Project Planner role, which includes applications for project planning and collaborative tasks. At the foundation, all the users who would be working in the 3D Experience platform will be assigned the Collaborative Business Innovator role, which includes all the fundamental platform applications for team communication, collaboration, cloud storage, file viewing, and a lot more. You are in complete control over what role your employees would need to use to complete their day-to-day tasks. And because this is all in one platform, you are creating an inclusive, creative, and supporting environment. So use this platform to introduce the synergy that you are looking for in your organization, to open doors of communication and facilitate support across all departments, enhance teamwork, and cultivate the creativity that you know your company has. With 3D Experience, unite your entire organization from design and manufacturing to marketing and services in one collaborative product development environment.
The 3D Experience Works portfolio is the latest suite of tools from Solidworks and Dassault Systems that unites your entire organization on a single collaborative product development environment. Leverage real-time data to foster collaboration between your valuable stakeholders, as well as maintain continuous improvement of your development plan and processes. Using this interactive infographic, you can quickly and easily learn about these tools that are relevant to you and your responsibilities, regardless of your role within the organization. Learn about the ways each purpose-built solution can help you accomplish your goals, as well as how they work together with the other solutions within the portfolio. You can select your role to see the solutions developed for you, then learn more about each one by drilling down into the solutions page on the website. You can also watch the included video, which provides a first look at each solution and the way it serves its user roles. 3D Experience Works is a powerful portfolio of tools that connect the people, applications, and real-time data from every aspect of your business. Give this graphical tool a try to learn how you can benefit and innovate the way you do business on a daily basis.
So in conclusion, we have discussed how 3D Experience can promote innovation and allow your organization to be more connected. Communication between departments can improve, allowing your business to thrive on new ideas, better resolutions, and quality information by using a single source of information.
This allows for easier collaboration between departments and in turn save you time and money. This is how we foster an innovative ecosystem. So, are you interested in fostering an innovative ecosystem for your organization? Our team at Cadmes Systems will be able to assist you with any queries that you might have. Thank you for joining.